Ka sarkar Jylla ka la ban yo lum ya ki jingkershan na ka sarkar pedeng ban na kiwe kisnat trikam ki ban bari ban penne ya ki jing persang ban bu ka thong ban yo Khambun ki jingkershan na ka jingwan ki nong jongo kai perthe haba ong ba ki jing yarap ki wan na ka Asian Development Bank la thu ba kumba khatsan lak ki bana po kari bat kumju ki bana wan jongo kai ki bana bari ki bawan jongo ya ka Meghalaya House Snem hajar pholai.
Well, overall, the state government is keen to sustain the efforts of the department to focus on high-end tourists and high-end low-volume tourism, which basically means that we would rather go for quality tourists with the ability to spend uh, rather than tourists with lower budget and who rather add to the littering and only increase the footfalls in the state. So that being the focus, the department has taken up several, as you could see, several major infrastructural projects, and these projects are in high demand because we would like to cater to that category of tourists who would stay uh, for a minimum of 3 to 4 days in the state of Meghalaya, covering various tourism circuits. And in this respect, we've been getting a lot of support from both the central government as well as externally aided agencies like the NDB and the ADB.